Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make Guyanese-style custard. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 2 cups of whole milk, 4 large eggs, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget a small pinch of freshly grated nutmeg for that signature Guyanese taste. Also, have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch ready to help achieve that perfect creamy texture. Finally, prepare your baking dish. Now, let's craft the smooth custard base. In a bowl, whisk 4 egg yolks with half a cup of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes light and creamy. Next, gradually incorporate 2 tablespoons of cornstarch into the egg mixture, ensuring there are no lumps. In a separate saucepan, gently heat 2 cups of whole milk with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of nutmeg until it is warm, but not boiling. Slowly temper the egg mixture by gradually whisking in the warm milk. It's time to bake our delicious custard to perfection. Carefully pour the prepared custard mixture into your chosen baking dish. To ensure even cooking and a silky texture, place this dish into a larger baking pan. Fill the larger pan with hot water, creating a water bath that comes about halfway up the sides of the custard dish. Bake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 45 to 60 minutes, until the edges are set, but the center still has a slight wobble. The final steps are crucial for a perfectly set and enjoyable custard. Carefully remove the custard from the oven and lift it out of the hot water bath. Let it cool completely at room temperature for about 1 hour. Once cooled, cover the dish and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow it to fully set and chill. Before serving, you can garnish with a light sprinkle of fresh nutmeg for an extra touch of flavor. Enjoy your homemade Guyanese-style custard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.